rockin' with the braids. Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay.
No, I gotta put more.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back here with a pack opening video, and y'all can hear my boy Clamps in the background. Obvious Clamps, shout out what you want to shout out, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Go subscribe to my YouTube, ILBS Crossover. Oh, hold on. ILBS Clamps, you feel me?
Alright, whatever. So, y'all can see I got 120 tokens and 10 packs to be open. We gonna be open somewhere with some tokens, but we about to get in this large pack opening. Not large, medium, whatever you want to call it, but we about to get in this pack opening. And I just did this locker code. I'll put it up on the screen right now. I just got the guaranteed Galaxy Opal locker code. I just got Galaxy Opal Gordon Hayward on this joint, yo. It's tough. I'm gonna put it up on the screen for y'all. Alright, so let's get right into these packs. Alright, so I'm back. I decided we gonna end it with the trash packs first. Like, these packs are dookie. Like, I mean, dookie, they trash, y'all. So I know which ones I'm gonna open first. Don't got enough VC for the 1,000 one. Act like y'all didn't see that. Definitely not. Oh, snap. Alright, yeah, so the first one I'm gonna be opening, probably the Frostbite Jones. Cause could get Anthony Davis or Magic Johnson. Let's see. Seeing these Jones. Hot garbage. Oh, Rudy D'Angelo Russell. I don't know. I already got him. Whatever. Send them to my auction. Oh, I'm at the quick draw. The next one. I already got that card. I could open that one, but I think I'm gonna open. I'll get back to y'all till I see which one I'm gonna open. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to open this Kareem Abdul-Jabbar pack. 15 tokens. You could get 2 pink diamonds, so I'm gonna open this joint real quick. Let's see. Ooh. Another ruby, y'all. I had a ruby. Dead serious. Ooh, that Curry look tough. Alright. Yo, I'm opening this one, y'all. Cause this joint, you could get 2 of these things. 2 of the other things. Yo, pink diamond, yo, pink diamond. It's either Kawhi or Carmelo, yo. Yo, pink diamond. It's red. Kawhi. Yo, that's a good pull. 97 overall Kawhi Leonard. That's a good pull for 15 tokens, y'all. Bro, I did not expect to get anything out of these trash picks, and I got a 97 overall Kawhi Leonard, yo. That is good. Whew. Not expect to get nothing. Pass off Siakam, John. Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I find another good one to open. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go with this New Year's resolution deluxe pack, cause I thought they was trash because of the diamond, but they got 2 pink diamonds that you could get. Open these things. See what I get. Dang, another ruby, y'all. I think I already got him, yeah. I didn't even know. I have to send him to my auction. Another pack. What other pack should I open? This LeBron James would be tough to get. I don't know though. This Giannis would be tough too. But I think I might go with this one. I'm gonna go with the Andre Iguodala one, 10 tokens. Let's see. Emerald. Dang. Still okay. Remember him when he was in the league. These Kareem picks. I might open this Hakeem one, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna open the Hakeem ones. I mean, what am I talking about? Hakeem? I mean Jeremy Lin. Whatever, Jason Kidd, whatever his name is. Boy, he's gonna do a Caillou. Whatever. A Sapphire, yo. I'm about to go to the packs where he gave me that, the Jeremy Lin, where he gave me the Kawhi. I'm gonna try my luck with these one more time. I'm gonna try my luck. Ah, Ruby. I don't care, we gotta. These are supposed to be the trash packs. We about to get to the good packs in a little bit. Still got 10 more tokens. Which 10 pack? AI or Rashad? I say AI. Definitely not that one. I say AI pack. Yeah. Last ones are the okay packs. Are the 100 tokens. So last pack. Gold. Kyle Korver. Nasty. Nasty, yo. Nasty, yo. Nasty. Oh, a flash pack. We just got that too. Let's go. Turn me up. Turn me up, yo. Alright, now y'all see we get into the good packs. Let me open some of the non-good packs first. Let me open these first. I don't know what these are. A diamond. Let's see what we got. I don't know who this is. Raptors. Lowry? Lowry? I'm not gonna try to say his name. Pons. Whatever. I don't remember that. To be honest. Alright, I'm about to open the other players club joint right now. Pink Diamond. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Pink Diamond, orange. Knicks, yeah. Is it that Charles Oakley dude, yo? Eddie Curry, that's what I meant to say. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good pull. 98 overall center. That's definitely going on my team. I'll show y'all my upgrades and everything after this game. I don't think this is a good pack. Let me see what this pack is. Pink Diamond! Pink Diamond, yo! Yo, I did not know these packs were good. Red? Who is it? Rockets? Who is it? Small forward? Yo, Chandler Parsons, 98 overall. Another pink diamond. That's 3 pink diamonds in this whole joint. Yo. This whole pack opening, I got 3 pink diamonds. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Not expecting these good pulls for these packs. Another pink diamond, y'all. Another pink diamond. Red. Woo. Clippers. Whew, God. Who is it? Ryan Hollins. That's still a good pull. Another center. 97 overall center. I needed some centers too. Yo. My centers about to be deep. Alright, now let's get to this Showtime pack. I don't know what's in this pack, what you can get. Oh, diamond. That's a diamond. Oh, I thought that was a sapphire, yo. Light blue. Hornets. Who is it? Point guard. Muggsy Bogues, my boy. The ball look bigger than your head, but my boy. Let's go, Muggsy. Space Jam. I saw you watching that joint the other day. Let's go. I'm about to open a prime pack. Let's go. See what we get out of it. Paul George Prime. Dookie. That's our first trash pack. That's silver, yo. That's our first trash pack. These prime packs look trash, so I'm gonna just get these out the way. Yeah, these prime tracks are trash. Let me get these out the way. That's right. Al Horford? Yeah, not gonna be on my team, but alright. Let's open this fan favorite. Should have opened the Dean one. Let's see what's in here. Ah, Sapphire. Ja, rookie of the year. To Zion. He barely played in the games. Something weird. Flash pack. Just got this joint. Nothing. Nothing, yo. Yo, these packs are starting to be dry. These packs are starting to get really dry. Another Sapphire, yo. These packs are starting to get dry. Alright, y'all. So we about to end this pack opening off with a banger and open up the guaranteed Galaxy Opal, the NBA's backpack, yo. Look at these players that you could get. If I get Gold LeBron, yo, I swear. Ooh, it's gonna be crazy. But it's a guaranteed Galaxy Opal. Guaranteed Galaxy Opal, so it's gonna be good either way. But I want the Gold Opal LeBron. Let's see. I already know it's gonna be Opal. Oh, look the flip off. Who's the Nuggets? I got Jokic. Oh my. Jokic is a common one, yo. I got so many centers this pack opening. It's a Galaxy Opal. I'm not mad at it, but I got so many centers this pack opening. I don't know, yo. I got so many centers this pack opening. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these centers, but I hope y'all enjoy it. I pulled some heat this pack opening. Let me upgrade my team. I pulled some heat. I pulled this Chandler Parsons, this Kawhi, this Eddie Curry, and this Jokic. And this Muggsy here too. Ooh, my team is gonna be legendary, yo. Look at this thing. Oh, and I also pulled the Ryan Hollins. I don't know where he gonna go in my lineup. I got too many centers. That's one, that's three. I only need 3. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the pack opening. We got some heat in this joint. Heat, yo. Alright. Thank you for watching.